are in a beautiful village, a borgo,
Collegnago,
Collegnago,
una piccola casa
a tiny house, see,
con giardino,
with a garden.
good investment
A
in
good
Tuscany.
investment. Okay. So if you want to live in a teeny tiny village, this is a great thing. And if you want to have a lock and leave, this is a great thing because you have all your neighbors around and they'll all take care of your house. Oh, hi, Mr. Magoo.
Mr. Magoo.
Dove?
1 minute.
Oh, really? God
Fa
damn it.
bene un po' di...
God damn it, Federico.
Sì, faccio mia colpa, potevamo parcheggiare
more
qua,
freaking stairs. I'll tell you, you can really get in shape here. No joke. We're still going up.
Sì, parking here.
Oh, wow. So, una domanda. Vado shopping.
Sì,
Parcheggiato qua.
sì, si parcheggia qua.
E poi
Ora ti do...
una persona, un portare.
No, no, altra soluzione.
There's another solution because I'm like shopping. Oh, okay. We're going to try not to kill ourselves on these slippery leaves. Oh my God. I mean, what is the matter with you?
Collegnago near Fivizzano. 5 minutes.
From Vivizzano.
5-6 minutes.
So you just walk there with Federico. I just want to, you know, just so that you know, this is like the end of the day. I'm so tired. Oh, sono stanca. Okay, let's go.
Qui dicono che le ghiande...
Who gives a shit about I mean, honest to God. This is when Federico treats me like I'm a little kid. He's like, look at the acorn. Oh my God.
Ok.
Oh, Jesus.
No. È praticamente la prima volta che vengo
No.
qui.
Posso guidare qua?
Sì.
What the f***, man? We could drive here. Oh my God. Oh, now he's showing off. What a butch guy.
Siamo arrivati.
Uh-huh.
Is possibile car?
Is this a joke? Is he punking me right now? We could have driven here. I'm gonna kill him.
Allora, house, semi-detached.
What the f does that mean? He's using these very fancy words. Semi-detached, what is that?
Una casa attaccata a un'altra. Invece di
No.
casa indipendente,
So you have a
terra
neighbor.
tetto.
Okay, good, okay.
Vedi, nice view.
Amazing view. Un po' triste questo. I mean, this is so
Qui
sad.
c'è il sole, stone house.
Stone. Mezza stone.
No,
I mean,
no problem.
sicuro?
Sì, sicuro, sicuro.
Okay.
Anche qua,
Because
sicuro.
it's concrete, I mean.
Yes.
E come questo non stacco? Questo come questo?
Allora, questo perché una volta
Uh-huh.
le case in pietra davano anche un segno di povertà.
Ah,
E invece
lo so.
le coprivano.
Okay.
Ora è diverso. Assurdo.
But he thinks it's absurd. So, and I've told you this before, so Italians view houses of stone with poverty. So they cover it up. He even thinks it's absurd. It's probably very pretty when you take all of this junk off at the front of it. So I take back what I said. I didn't know what the heck this was. And this is the other side of the house. I just think it's a good idea to sort of show you like how cute it could be.
DIY enthusiast, this is many weekends.
I think you could DIY this.
could do
Don't
that
you
in a
think
couple
you
of
could
days, couple of
DIY with
days.
stone?
Yeah, get a ladder up there.
Yeah,
Pneumatic drill.
I think there's something very satisfying about chunking it off. Look, and there's people up there too. Okay, well, there's some semi-death stairs, but they're not, so we're okay. We're okay. I'm having flashbacks to Equi. Claire went upstairs to film in this house, and now she's stuck. She cannot get down. Oh my God, Claire, Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Watch that one here. Oh, wow.
Wow, mi spiace che non c'è la luce.
All right, it's okay. What
Allora,
is that?
questa era... Forse avevano messo la stufa, poi adesso l'hanno tolta.
Okay.
C'è ancora un buco. Allora ci sono dei...
Wow, great view.
Wow.
No, the view is incredible. I mean, this is super cute. Super carina. The thing about it is, you know, in Italy, when you go up, for the most part, it's going to be really nice views. So you kind of like it, you do this, it's a payoff. The bells, if you like bells, you know, I mean, that's a cute church.
Ci sono piccoli lavoretti da fare, piccoli lavori da fare. Sale.
Federico Cardinelli. Okay, sorry.
Price up.
Price. Raise the price. Okay, all right.
Ok,
E quanto
piccoli...
costa questo?
50.000.
That's not worth 50, come on. Let's not get hysterical.
Is possibile...
Okay, good. I like that. No, I mean, I'm not trying to be mean, but I mean, it's a room essentially. So this is what we call a hotel suite. It's just a hotel
Okay.
suite. So if you look at it as a hotel
Yes.
suite, and you have a beautiful yard that you can hang out in. No, seriously. Can you put a piscina qua or no?
Sì,
you
possibile.
can. So here semi-detached is a little bit different because the rules here is you can do your own thing and your neighbor doesn't have much to say about it. So
Kitchen?
kitchen and the bathroom are here. Oh yeah, this is a full bathroom. It's a shower and everything. You know, this actually is cute for, you know, like a retired couple, young couple that are just starting out in Italy. This is actually quite cute. And this you could definitely rent out. 100%, I think. And I love that it has thick walls. I mean, there's, you know, the wood header, there's cute things about it for sure. And the kitchen is tiny, but I mean, you could take this out, but not bad. There's enough room to do like a little banquette here and a little table here, a little sofa situation. You know, typical, you walk right into the living room. You can just furnish it to the hilt if you want in the living room. Just walk in and put like a hat rack and you're home sweet home. It's nicely done, has a nice ceiling. If you want to see some more affordable properties like this, please like and subscribe. Okay, semi-death stairs, but not bad. I mean, at least they're wide enough and there's a solid railing. I mean, you don't feel like you're gonna fall.
Annette is
Wow,
important.
okay.
Small work. I proprietari
Yeah,
hanno già fatto fare un preventivo
uh-huh.
per i lavori, diciamo, da fare.
Oh, ok.
Lo fanno i proprietari, la vendono tutta sistemata la casa.
Un po' acqua, penso.
No, più che altro, è giusto.
Yeah.
Si era
I'm
spostato,
right, thank you.
no, giustissimo.
Ok.
Si era spostato un tegolo
Uh-huh.
e si era tappata la canala
Uh-huh.
e poi dunque è filtrata l'acqua. Adesso hanno sistemato quello.
Okay, great. Okay.
Questo è
So,
giustissimo.
I was right. There was water. And so they fixed it. It was this that was leaking. They fixed it. And now if you want to paint this out, the owner is happy to pay for that. That's cool. And what is that back there? That would be a bathroom, no?
Yes.
Yeah, you can make that a bathroom.
E sotto è
And so
perfetto.
downstairs, if you do a sofa bed, and there's a bathroom, and upstairs you do a bed, it's actually quite good. So it's weirdly 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Price is negotiable. The owner will pay for all of this to have it all repaired. As I've said many times, this kind of stuff for Italians is not, this would be a morning for an Italian. I mean, they're so good, they'll tear it down, they'll re-stucco it, and then they'll come back like the next day once it's dry and they'll paint it. I mean, it's really a no-brainer. You know, the closets are fine, it's cute. I mean, if you're gonna spend this much money, you may as well keep all the things. And you have a bed. I know that sounds crazy, but you know, you don't have to buy anything but a box spring and a mattress, and you can make it very cute, a groovy little pad. I think all this is a vacation house.
Ideale.
And it's also a rental. Be a great rental.
Yes.
Fantastic rental. We are literally 5 minutes from Bibizzano, and we are about, I think, 20 minutes from Ciretto. So if you wanted to make it a ski sort of joint, you can ski here in the wintertime. If you're a hiker, I think this is a wonderful thing. If you love to hike and be outdoors, you know, it's a great little starter place in Italy. I like it. I really like this. It has heat. This is all new. It has thermal windows. I mean, I think it's cute. You have to tear out, you know, all of that concrete that's on the stone, reappoint it. It's so tiny, it's not going to cost anything. And then you have a beautiful garden if you want to build a, you know, a pergola and sit outside and have dinner and drinks, and the view is incredible. I think this is cool, actually. I really like it. I love this place. Yeah. Oh, this is kind of a big room. This could be a really nice bathroom.
Yes.
It's a super pretty bathroom right here. No, it is. It has a little, no, it's
For a
cute.
4 foot tall person.
No, I mean, I could fit in here. No, I think it's fine. I think it could be fine. It's a funky bathroom. I mean, I don't think you're going to hit your head. I mean, there's a bed in here too. There's another bed.
3 bedroom.
1 bedroom in the garden.
There's one bathroom downstairs. All right. I like, Michael, you're being a real poo-poo head. It could also just be a sauna. It's a sauna size. And you sit down in a sauna. You just have to be careful when you stand up. You just put the bench over here and then you're fine. And the steam thing there. Sauna. I love a sauna. Okay, so we've seen this adorable little weekend house and a summer cottage. Thank you very much, Federico. Don't fall down the hill. You come closer. I'm worried about you. Okay, sorry, I digress. If you got this far, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much, Federico.
Thank you.
I mean, where is he? What is happening right now? We'll see you at the next location. Ciao.
Subscribe.
Too late.